Significance of the National Week. For nearly 2 decades, the National Week has been celebrated by the Indian National Congress throughout the country from April 6 to 13, both days inclusive. The last date of the week coincides with the anniversary of the day when the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place at Amritsar in 1919. It may appear queer to some that the National Week is being observed all these years to remind us of one of the most shameful and humiliating episodes in the history of British rule in India. But there is an obvious and legitimate ground for our doing so. It often happens that when the nation loses its freedom and self-respect, humiliation, persecution, and suffering bring about a rebirth of its national soul. Our objective in celebrating the National Week is not to rouse hatred against the British, but to remind us of the depth to which we have fallen from the lofty heights and thereby stimulate our progress towards the national liberation and fulfillment. During this week, there should be nationwide activity for coming struggle through elevation of our individual and national character through various other means. Above all, the greatest stress should be laid on the constructive forms of activity, for instance, propagation of khadi, vigorous enrollment of the primary Congress members, promotion of prohibition and the anti-untouchability campaign, drive against illiteracy, promotion of international and inter-communal understanding, etc. Last but not the least, I would earnestly appeal to all congressmen to put forward their utmost effort in the direction of rooting out corruption and weaknesses within our ranks and to see that members enlisted are genuine Congress members. In this task, we should seek the cooperation of all anti-imperialist organizations, particularly trade unions, Kisan Sabhas, and thus further endeavor to establish a closer and more harmonious relations between the Congress and such anti-imperialistic organizations so that we may be able to build up a broad anti-imperialist front. If we can utilize the National Week in this way, we can make a distinct advance towards our goal of political and economic emancipation.